Welcome to another edition of Mark's Market Update. Well, on a weekly basis, we've been talking a lot about residential real estate, and not much has changed this week. I've had a lot of questions about what's happening in the commercial market. When we look at commercial, we're talking about three different things. We're talking about multifamily apartments and other. We're talking about strip centers for retail and restaurants, and we're talking about office buildings. All three of these are very challenging, with retail most challenging, office second most challenging, and actually the multifamily world, rents have actually exceeded what people were projecting in March and April. So rent collections have been very solid considering what's happened over the last couple months. We still see a lot of strength. There's high buyer demand and there's not a lot of availability. So we do see strength in that market. Now, when we're talking about retail, very challenging. Just read the news. You're going to see about restaurants. You're going to see about retailers closing. Strip centers are underperforming. Vacancies are high, and we're going to continue to see, again, probably just at the tip of the iceberg. Over the next 6 months, we're going to see a lot of retail continue to go out of business. We're going to see restaurants and other. The good news is that in past downturns, we've seen new entrepreneurs and other backfill those spots, and they've created new concepts, new restaurants and other. But in the short term, we're not looking very positive for the strip centers. Office buildings, this is a dynamic that's changing every day. When we see companies like Twitter, Facebook, Square, Shopify and others that are actually allowing they're allowing their employees to work at home. This is a changing dynamic where no longer is the square footage needed for many of these companies. Even our little company, many of our operations are still working at home for different dynamics. We're increasing productivity on a daily basis. We're learning to work within the ecosystem of working at home. So we are seeing that there's many benefits of working at home: family life, work harmony, and others. So when you're looking at the overall commercial market, excluding the apartment, it's a very challenging environment, and we don't see that changing anytime soon. If you have any questions about the commercial world, if you have questions about the residential world, don't hesitate to call, email, or text. Thank you so much.